my mystery novel, The Ghost Typewriter, and it is a fantastic crime mystery novel. Now let's take a look and listen. Only have 3 days to complete her mystery novel, or she will not have a book deal. And she has only completed the first 2 chapters. Her husband comes home with a relic typewriter from the 1950s, hoping that it will give her some type of inspiration and cure her writer's block. Instead of inspiring her, writing becomes an obsession as Bree begins to type on that typewriter. Once Bree places her fingers on the keys of that old relic typewriter, Bree becomes possessed with not finishing her story, but the story of the previous owner, Miss Nova Starr, a 21-year-old African-American journalist from the 1950s who wrote the story about a missing artist in Harlem. But before the journalist Nova Starr could print her story, she also disappeared, never again to be seen. And the only clues left on her unpublished mystery were the blood stains that was left on her typewriter keys. So now Bree is obsessed with finding out who and what happened to Nova Starr. With mystery, and this came out absolutely beautiful. It's basically about a young woman named Ambrosia Bree who's struggling to be a writer, and she has writer's block. Someone gave her a deal as a writer, to turn in her novel, but she has writer's block. So her husband brings in an old typewriter that he found from the 1950s. And when she starts typing on that typewriter, she starts having dreams of the person that previously owned the typewriter. And the person that previously owned the typewriter was Nova Starr, an African-American journalist in the 1950s that was working on a mystery about a murder that was in Harlem. So this was just absolutely the way it came out. I just love this story. It is on Kindle, Amazon, it's Kindle bookstore, Amazon bookstore. You type in my name, The Ghost Typewriter, A Night in Harlem. And it is $5.99 for Kindle, $7.99 to get the paperback. From what I'm hearing, a lot of people like to touch what they're reading, so it is $7.99 for the paperback, but it is a fantastic story. So I hope that you get a chance to look at it.